morning, Paradise Crew. Today is day 2 of our cruise here on the Wonder of the Seas. So let's go get some breakfast. We ended up at the Park Cafe for breakfast because it's really close. And we got a bagel. We both got bagel with cream cheese, but it's a blueberry bagel with apricot cream cheese. Looks pretty yummy. And then I got this ciabatta breakfast sandwich. It has like shallots and asparagus and egg. It looks really good. And then some smoked salmon. And you just got a bagel and oatmeal?
Bagel and oatmeal, see if I like it or not.
Hi. I wasn't sure what we were going to do today, and we ran into Lincoln, and he said, I have to show you the Mason jar. So we're getting a preview of our brunch at the Mason jar, and he brought us a bunch of stuff, and this cocktail, incredible. Mint and julep, don't skimp on that. Guys, it is one of my new favorite cocktails on the ship. What you got over there? Oh, quacker. He brought us pimento cheese with crackers and then jalapeno cornbread. We got a shrimp po' boy and some french fries, which are very good. Look at the seasoning on that. And then Colin got the peanut butter and jelly old fashioned, right?
Yep. You're gonna love that.
Yeah?
That's good. You gotta get one yourself.
Oh, I can't have yours?
You can't have mine.
I like that you
That's genius. I also love the little peanut butter and jelly sandwiches on there. How adorable is that? They brought out peanut butter overnight oats. We started eating. It has Nutella and bananas, some kind of crunchy granola, and a candied piece of bacon. And let me tell you, this is what I'm gonna recommend. You come here for brunch, you get an peanut butter old fashioned and get these oats, and you'll be set.
Yeah. After a long night, partying out, sleep in, come straight here. Just like what you said, this is delicious.
It's very good.
Nothing misses.
No.
Everything is hitting. Right on the money.
The difference, the day will come when all our troubles we've overcome.
Part of my reach. They made me a no-joke smoked, which is essentially a, I don't know if you can see the smoke, a smoked bourbon and Coke. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. That's lovely. I don't love drinks with Coke because I don't like Coke, but this is very good.
That's good. Classic original taste of Coke, so it's not too sweet. I think you'll enjoy it. Yeah, that's good.
Guys, the Mason jar was absolutely incredible, from red velvet pancakes to Elvis French toast. But if you want to see a full episode of Dining on Deck at the Mason jar, click subscribe.
Wow. That is all I can say.
Yeah, that was incredible.
If you are going on the Wonder of the Seas, you must, I'm saying you must, stop in the Mason jar. Whether it's for brunch or dinner or a cocktail, do not care. You have to go in there because the amount of work they put into that specific restaurant and bar is just completely mind-blowing.
Yeah, that was different. That was a different, unique experience.
Hi!
Hey, what's up?
Good, how are you?
Don't let me interrupt you. If you're in a hurry, you go ahead.
Oh, no, you're in the vlog now. You're in there. You're in there.
Hello. Hello. Okay, we stopped by the room for a little bit to check on the upload of the video. It's still not even at 70%, but that's okay. It's gonna upload. It'll be fine. We decided that after a very lovely brunch and cocktails that we needed another cocktail.
We did.
Yeah, so we're going up to Cantina Fresca up by El Loco Fresh, and we're going to try out some of their new margaritas. Yeah, because they have a pineapple jalapeno margarita that sounds really good, and a couple other ones that I don't remember, but we'll show you the menu when we get up there. And I think it's time for margarita. I didn't actually.
Everything proper. You won't stop my hunger.
also have classic margaritas with strawberry, mango, passion fruit, traditional lime, and sangria swirl. And then I saw another menu. There we go. We have sangria, mezcal mule, Cozumel sunrise, and the michelada. We're getting hit with a little Caribbean rain, liquid sunshine, and some wind. It's okay. It's gonna be okay. I think we should go inside.
It's a bit windy.
Weather with Alyssa. Oh, wait. Since it is 5:15, we're just gonna start getting ready. We have a happy hour with our PR media team, so that's gonna be fun. That's at 6:30 in the solarium, and then dinner probably in the MDR. And then I don't know what's going on for the rest of the evening, but we're hoping to hang out with some of our friends because we didn't get to do that last night. I'm gonna get ready, and I'll see you in a little bit. We're ready. We're ready for happy hour in the solarium, and then dinner and formal night all around. So we are going to head out because we are running late, and the solarium is on the opposite side of the ship. And someone flushed the toilet. Did that door close all the way? No. Gotta make sure you push them all the way shut because these doors are kind of heavy, but they don't necessarily close all the way on the first time.
Look like I got my hair all alone. I know that you heard it, but I've been busy out here searching now.
Hi. Hi, I like this element. We finished up with happy hour, and instead of going to the main dining room, we decided on the Solarium Bistro because we could see in the windows and there were a ton of tables available. So we said, you know what, we're just gonna go in and ask if we can eat here. And they're sitting us, so we're very excited. It's definitely a different vibe than the Solarium Bistro on the Odyssey, but I'm excited for the food. I've decided to make as many trips up to the buffet as I feel necessary. Yep, so that's gonna be a lot. Look how cute these bowls are. Can we have these?
I would love to have it.
They're so cute.
I love the food.
Yeah, and they're in different sizes. So we have an arugula salad in a bigger one. We have shrimp ceviche here in a medium-sized one, and tzatziki, which I love tzatziki, in a smaller one. I had to grab one of these because it just looks really good and it's nice and soft. What'd you get? Salad?
Yeah, I got a Caesar salad
Thank you.
and this cheese roll. It's so good.
Is it
It's
good?
soft, yeah. Yeah, that's a good roll.
Arugula salad was very good. I really liked, they had like mango and pomegranate in it, and I'm not sure what kind of cheese it was. I was kind of expecting it to be more like a goat cheese, and I think it was more, almost like a ricotta. It was like that texture, so I'm not sure what kind of cheese that was, but it was good nonetheless. The shrimp ceviche was very good too. There was something in there that was like super bitey. I'm assuming onion. It was pretty intense, but the flavors were very good. I went up and I got my second plate, so I'm going to show you what that is. I got the salmon, of course. It comes with vegetables and rice, then calamari, mushrooms, and I have no idea what this kind of pasta is right here, but as you can tell, it is extremely cheesy. It looks like there's some sort of sausage in there, so probably pick around that, or probably try it and then pick around it. But I couldn't resist because the cheesiness of it, I was just like, this just looks so good. I have to try it, so let me actually try it for you.
Paradise Crew, if you made it this far in the vlog, this is the comment I want you to leave in the comment section. Cheese.
Oh my.
Cheese pool. Look, cheese. So good.
I need to know how many pounds of cheese I just consumed from that pasta because it was so cheesy, but like, I may go back and get some more. That's how good it was. There was like little sausages in them, so I ate one and it was good, but I just picked around it because I didn't want my stomach to hurt. Might go back for more of that. They said that there's like beef as the entree today, so we might go look at that. I'm not gonna eat it, but we'll look at that, and then dessert. And the dessert last time was very good, so maybe I won't get pasta and just fill up on dessert. Decisions. I went back up for more pasta. The cheese is just outrageously good. Also, I made a rookie mistake, and I decided ahead of time that I was just going to go to each buffet section, eat what I want, and then go to the next one. Well, I should have done a whole roundabout trip because I forgot about the breaded zucchini that they have here and how good it is. It was on the other buffet. Oh, there's also the watermelon. That's what I wanted to tell Colin. There's lamb over there. There's more vegetables. Look at this. Look how good this is. So someone's gonna have to carry me out in a wheelbarrow tonight because I still have to eat dessert. So this is the chocolate hazelnut cake, which is what we had last time, so I'm hoping it's as good. And then I don't really know what this is, but it looks like it has some sort of like cream with raspberries in it, so that looks really good. And I'm gonna try a bite of his pie. All right, I'm just gonna take this off, this top off, because it's kind of hard. It's almost like a bread. So I don't know if it's like an angel food cake. I'm gonna find out. That's what it is. That part's very good. Yeah, it's like an angel food cake texture. I don't know if you can see that, but that's pretty good. We are in the Rising Tides bar because we thought this would be a lovely way to end our evening here on board our sea day. And we are, we're moving. We're already moving.
What'd you get? Prosecco. I got a dark and stormy. So this will probably be my last drink of the night, team. It's looking blurry, just like my vision. I'm just kidding. I'm not that wasted. I'm just joking. I'm not wasted at all, actually. Or am I? No, I'm just kidding. Or am I? So this is the Rising Tides bar, but we're currently not rising. Sinking tides?
We're sinking.
We're sinking. The sinking
That's not
tide.
good. We don't want to be sinking on the cruise ship. We're descending, but sinking makes more sense. So this is so cool. First of all, Sexy Bunny is back. We just got in. What in the world?
Whoa.
Oh my.
What is this about?
I don't know, but I want to see what it is. Okay, I cannot wait any longer. Look at this box. It's like calling my name. It's like, open me. Open me. Gotta do it. Gotta do it. Open me. I'm so excited. Okay, you ready?
Yep.
Okay, drum roll, please.
Oh!
What?
More chocolate, let's go!
Oh my gosh! Look at this, it has a recipe for the Stubborn Mule, which is probably another one of my favorite drinks because it's a Moscow Mule, but with bourbon and bitters. And it comes with whiskey, another mason jar, ginger beer, and more chocolate. Royal Caribbean. Thank you. Are you excited for whiskey?
Hell yeah, this is dope. Can I say hell yeah on the vlog?
Sure.
Hell yeah!
Wow, that was seriously a surprise, and I'm really excited to make our own cocktails. Actually, we should do that as we're reviewing the ship on our Thursday night live stream after we get back.
That'd be fun.
I think that would be fun.
Yeah.
A fun way to do that. Thank you, honey. That sounds like a fun idea.
I have not slept much, but guys, I hope you enjoyed this episode, and I just want to invite you guys to subscribe to the channel. Please.
Please. Please.
Yeah. The winner of today's giveaway, that comment should be right here or put earlier in the vlog. So yeah, comment, and subscribe to win. It's Fan Appreciation Week, and we hope you enjoyed the episode. But as always, if you dig the vibes, please subscribe.
And if you care, please share. And we'll see you in paradise.
Peace.
Bye.
Bye, guys.